All right, vetters, we've got a brand new UFO picture to dissect. Let's dive in. So journalist George Knapp has a brand new documentary series coming out on Netflix, and they released a brand new trailer. And within that trailer, they showed this. Now, it's a split second, right? But let's freeze frame it and take a closer look. Now, what the hell is that, right? It's got all these uneven edges. It looks absolutely fascinating, right? What is this black thing hovering over the trees, or kind of in the trees a little bit there in broad daylight, right? And where is this? Well, a few people online, as usual, looked into this, and I did myself as well. And well, it's kind of interesting. Some people are theorizing that this is from France, right? Specifically this region right here. Plateau d'Albion, France. I think I said that right. I mean, what do you think? Look at this picture. Does this look like the region? And what makes that part of France so fascinating and interesting? Well, that just so happens to be the place where they stored their nuclear warheads in silos. Nukes and UFOs. Another connection. Now, because of that, I've got a UFO video to show you, right? Taken 17 years ago in France, and it looks identical to this picture, right? So let me play this video, and then after that, I've got something special for you, because I did a reverse image search of the original image, right, from the trailer, and also looked at trying to identify the trees in that picture. And I found something interesting, so stay with me. But first, let's show this UFO video you've probably never seen before. Again, taken in France 17 years ago. Tell me what you see.
Les voisins, c'est qui ont pris leur caméra. Ça bouge.
Okay, so that's a fascinating video, and I had never seen that before until I looked into this picture, right? Now, let's compare the UFO from that video to the UFO from the picture shown in George Knapp's Netflix documentary trailer. Now, those pictures are close, but not the same. But what I found interesting is that they're both daytime, right? Both black UFOs with uneven edges look very similar. Not exactly, but super close, right? And it's fascinating, right? And the UFO and nukes connection, all fascinating. Now, let's get to the results of, the tree or plants that I looked into. All right, so basically first I did a reverse image search and couldn't find anything. But what was interesting is that Google noticed that it had a UFO in it and showed me other images similar with UFOs, right? So that's interesting. And then when I searched the actual picture for what plants or trees are in it, this is the results I got. And as you can tell, 49% accuracy that, this particular tree right here is the one that's in these pictures, which is located off the Mediterranean, right, in southern Europe, which is exactly where this potentially could be. So I don't know. I mean, that is interesting. Could this be from France, right? This picture? I don't know. Is this part of a video or is it just going to be a photo? Either way, it's fascinating and I can't wait to see. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Be curious to hear. And Vetters, hit it. Take that picture. Let's see what we can find. Let's dig in. Okay, we got a global audience. I know people in France are watching this. Let me know what you guys think. All right, we'll see you guys on tomorrow's video. Remember, every day's a gift, y'all. Hey!
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep.